case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 2008, the Supreme Court of New Mexico was presented with State v. Vargas, a case that thrust the often ignored topic of the knock and announce rule into the spotlight. This rule, which generally requires police to announce their presence before entering a property, came under scrutiny when defendant Peter Vargas, charged with drug-related offenses, claimed its violation during his arrest. Vargas contended that the officers failed to announce their presence before forcing their entry into his apartment, thereby transgressing his constitutional rights. The district court, however, thought otherwise and rejected Vargas's motion to suppress the evidence collected from the precarious entry. Vargas then appealed to the Court of Appeals, resulting in a turnaround that favored his standpoint. The court reversed the district court's decision, stating that the police had indeed conducted an unreasonable search. When the case reached the Supreme Court, the decision swerved back in favor of the officers. They pointed to the futility exception, arguing that Vargas had already recognized the officers before they had a chance to knock and announce. Specifically, on the day of the arrest, 2 uniformed officers had approached Vargas's apartment and had been on the cusp of knocking when Vargas opened the door. Upon seeing the authorities, Vargas attempted to retreat and close the door, but the officers prevented it. The Supreme Court concluded that due to these events, compliance with the knock and announce rule was unreasonable and unnecessary. Despite the Supreme Court's admonishment for the officers' failure to follow the knock and announce rule, it found the conduct excusable under the circumstances. Vargas's appeal to exclude the evidence was turned down, and the case was remanded back to the district court for further proceedings. The decision was met with concurrence from the Chief Justice and other justices, thus ending this chapter of a legal back and forth that highlighted the complexities of the little-known futility exception.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.